technical SEO. So friends, when it comes to SEO and the things that most of the people have heard about this topic, that is SEO, is on-page SEO and off-page SEO activities. Look, so on-page SEO is what you do on the website pages and off-page SEO is what you do outside the website, like link building and etc. Alright? But guys, one of the most important things, and that should be done at the start, which is required from time to time, that is called technical SEO. Actually, if you look at it, then the technical SEO which we are discussing is a subpart. It's a subpart of on-page SEO, okay? Now friends, basically what is technical SEO? Let's suppose that this is our website, right? Website. Majorly, if you look at it, then the website runs on the server, right? And the website includes work of web designing, right friends? And web development is also a part of website. I'm telling you the major things. I will explain you rest at video's end. I will also discuss that what activities or say list come under technical SEO. But first, understand the logic of technical SEO and also know that who all are responsible for it. Okay, so what happens mostly is SEO person available, whether senior or junior, whatever you call them, they are asked to perform and use technical SEO with utmost efficiency. It is essential to know technical SEO. If you are auditing a website and there are technical issues, like if the website is lacking, so if the SEO person has that required knowledge, so he can get the job done efficiently from those who are responsible for that particular job. Now when a website is created, then at first the website designing and its development takes place. Then pages along with UI UX is created, right? And then based on that, friends coding and development happens. Website designing is also done in HTML or say CSS and also done in JavaScript. Different frameworks have also come up nowadays, right? So website designing plays an important role. Now if you use heavy JavaScript etc., then the website's loading will be slow. Okay, understood? It will make the page's loading speed slow. It should be 5 seconds, 3 seconds or less than that. If it takes 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds for the page to load, then it's obvious that there's no role of an SEO person in that, right guys? If the coding and the site are made too heavy. So there, it's taking time to load, so technically that's wrong. Because a page should take only 5 or 2 to 3 seconds to load. Not more than that. Nowadays with technical things like React, you just snap your finger and the page opens up. It loads up, so at that level the quality of websites today has reached a point where websites page load as fast as a blink of an eye because people don't have patience. They will move to another website. In web development, is the code written correctly? Any errors or any problems related to the coding, either in the back end or the front end? That also comes under technical SEO. And the biggest thing is when the website is built, after that the server on which it is running. Now how is that server? Now what is the server? It's just a machine, right? Now someone bought a low quality server to save money because of the cheap price and thinks it costs me 1500 rupees per year. And I get website hosting and a domain name also. And someone is getting it for 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees a year. Here I'm not telling you the rate for anything. Just an example. Some servers cost a few thousand rupees a year, while others cost thousands of rupees a month. And some even cost lakhs of rupees a month. This is a different technical thing. So based on the current requirements of your website, you should choose a server or a hosting plan based on current requirements. If you spend too much, it's a waste, and if you spend too little, it's a loss. It will impact your website's performance. So now a server is a machine. On the other hand, you are using an Apple laptop that costs 2.5 lakhs rupees. On other hand, you are using a laptop that costs 25,000 rupees. Can the performance match? So you don't know much about it. You're seeing that I'm getting cheap hosting. But what about the machine and the quality of it? That's also important for your website's loading speed and many other factors, right? So if there are any server related issues, website designing, coding related issues, development coding related issues, If there are any errors, loading speed issues, all these things basically come under technical SEO, which are analyzed using different tools in SEO. Like in SEO, how you will audit the website. How will you do that, and many things. And through which tools can you do it? We will teach you practically, just like we do in digital marketing agency for our clients. Okay. So we will teach you that, but did you understand that if you want to become dedicated SEO person, if you want to become professional, so you should know where the problem is, then you can tell them to fix it. Otherwise, how? Now, let me tell you about technical SEO. Inside it, there are some important lists that fall under technical SEO. Now, the very first item that we see on our technical list is the XML sitemap, which is primarily used for search engine crawlers. Okay, the second one that comes up is the HTML sitemap, and this sitemap is for the users. The third one is robots.txt. This is very important. You will learn this in this course. Fourth, web page speed optimization. Every page has its own loading speed, right? Which is very important for every website. Fifth is mobile friendly. Friends, today websites should be adaptable to mobile, desktop, tablet, and every other device for optimal user experience. And that is what we call a truly mobile friendly responsive website. So the user can easily access it from any kind of screen. On sixth, we have website architecture. Website should be properly structured. It means the UI UX design of it, the entire coding and development, everything should be properly structured. All these things, which are according to the search engine's protocols and the standards for designing and development. According to them, it should be made. Now, the seventh point we will discuss is our HTTPS, which stands for security and protection. Obviously, the website is great, but if it is not secure, it can be hacked or infected with a virus. What is the benefit? The eighth is the canonical tag. So guys, the ninth is redirection issues. The 10th is website hosting. This is a server optimization issue. So friends, this is that technical SEO. This indicates the problems that occur within SEO. This is a list of them, which we will go into more detail about in this course. Thank you.